In this box is a Tuttio. Well, almost. This is the Godoit Lynx. It has the exact same specs as a Tuttio, but is somehow $300 cheaper.
Brand new bike. Hey, brand new shoes.
This is my first impressions, and I think it looks really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on the shock now. Okay, everything's installed, and I'm pretty sure that's all you need for the assembly of the bike. I mean, obviously there's still plastic on it, but it looks really good so far. I actually don't mind the look of it. But yeah, this thing has the exact same specs as a Tuttio. So 2,000 watts nominal and like 3,000 watts peak and 37 miles an hour. So the exact same thing for a lot cheaper. So let's go test this thing out. Alright, we are now on the bike, the Godoit Lynx, and you can save yourself like $50 with code Razor Drifts. But this bike so far feels pretty nice. Brakes feel really good, they lock up super good. It's super duper torquey, like it's very torquey, which isn't how the regular Tuttio feels. The regular one isn't like that torquey, but it feels pretty good. I mean, you can wheelie this thing. Pretty nice. This thing actually has a lot of torque, like so much, and it pops up super easily. Let's go test this thing out. We're going to go test this thing out on some dirt, but I just want to show you guys how easy this thing is to wheelie. It's also been like a week since I unboxed this thing, so it's been a while. So this is my first ride on it in a little bit, because I've been riding my other bikes. But this one actually is not a bad bike at all. This thing is basically a Tuttio. It has the exact same specs, and it's $300 cheaper. We have some jump spill over here that we've been building up. Got that one. There's one more being made right now, and then we got like this thing. I've never hit that jump before, so I'm not going to do that, especially on this bike that I'm not that used to. But we're going to try to hit this jump. The suspension on this thing is pretty nice. This stuff I didn't put on correctly, so it's loose. But the suspension is pretty nice. The rear is pretty good as well. I guess we're just going to try to hit this thing. I guess we're just going to try to hit it. I don't know. Hopefully I don't fall. Oh. I'm, again, really bad at jumps, but... Oh, yeah. I don't think I'm going fast enough at all, but... I don't really want to go faster right now, so... But yeah. That one's not done, I don't think. I don't know. I built all of that one, so... Yeah. I've been wanting to build a jump for a while, and I did it, and it's actually super fun. I built one of them, and then my friends built like the other two. But like overall, the suspension does handle it really nicely. I'm not used to hitting it on this bike, and I didn't really want to fall because I have to get this video out tomorrow. and then I wouldn't have any more video. So I mean, if you're looking at buying a Tuttio, you might want to look into this over it because it's cheaper and it's pretty much the exact same bike. It comes with some better features, like this really good rear fender. The front fenders are like actually real and not some like flimsy things. A better kickstand than the Tuttio one. It's super quiet, like one of my quietest bikes. It comes with a light and it has this reverse mode. You can't see the light because it's day, but has this really cool reverse mode that so you can go like this. That's actually super useful for getting it out of your garage and stuff. Let's try to hit 12. Oh. And this thing does stoppies pretty nicely too. Then right. And the brakes actually like work. If you're looking for a budget electric dirt bike, I would definitely check this one out. It's one of the cheapest out of all of them that I've seen. And there's already a few mods for it because it's pretty much the Tuttio. You could get a seat cover because I'm pretty sure it's the exact same seat. A new rear fender, plate, light. You could take this sticker off if you don't want it. I'm going to leave it on though. And this bike has pretty much the same features as most other budget dirt bikes for like a lot cheaper. So I would definitely check this one out. Also, you could use my code RazorDrifts, save $50 off at checkout. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Brand new bike. Hey, brand new shoes.